Hey, Duane here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this video, I'm going to show you the application process for the Citi Double Cash Card, just in case you're interested in getting this particular card from Citibank. But before we get started, I have a quick... Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit. We also talk about how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so the Citi Double Cash Card is basically a cashback card that allows you to get 2% cash back. 1% when you make the purchase and another 1% when you pay for that particular purchase. So you're able to get 2% cash back overall. Now this particular credit card that I'm applying for, the Citi Double Cash Card, comes with a introductory offer of, I think it's $150 or $100 when you spend $500 in the first 3 months of having the card. The reason why I'm saying $100 or $150 is because the offer is different depending on when you catch that offer and where it is that you get the offer from on the internet. So if you're interested in getting this particular card and you want that $150 cash back after spending $500, just kind of look around the internet, Google it, and I'm sure you'll come across that offer, and then you can apply that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump on my laptop for the rest of this video and kind of show you the application process. So give me 1 second and I'll see you over on my laptop. Okay, so we're at the Citibank website to apply for the Citi Double Cash credit card. This is my 4th credit card application in the last 2 days. This is my 4th and final application. Today's date is Sunday, April the 26th. Today is my son's birthday. Happy birthday, son. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out this application. This is a credit card that I was pretty excited about getting. I found an offer on the net that offers $150 cash back when you spend $500 within the first 3 months. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. Hopefully I'll get approved for this one as well. Once again, I'm finally in a position where I can get approved for these cards because my credit score is pretty darn good right now. And so I'm excited about that. It's taken a while to rebuild my credit, but I've learned a lot along the way because God knows I've butchered my credit throughout the years. This is my 3rd time rebuilding my credit score. And at the time of this application, my credit score, depending on the credit bureau, is anywhere between 745 and 830. So that's not too shabby. I've applied for 3 credit cards prior to this one. I applied for 2 on Friday, the 24th of August, and then I applied for another one today on the 26th, and I'm applying for another one right now. So that's 4 applications in a couple of days. I should have applied for all of them on the same day, but for whatever reason I did not. So here I am in another video, typing very slowly as I'm trying to hold the computer and make the video and talk to you guys at the same time, so please forgive me. But I'm really excited. I mean, I'm glad that I'm able to create videos and talk about credit cards and talk about what's worked for me and how I've been able to rebuild my credit. And if I can do it, you guys can do it as well. Just check out my videos on my channel, and you know, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try my best to answer the questions and get back to you as soon as I see your questions. So I got approved for the Discover card. I got a $5,000 limit on that card. I will link that video in this video. I also got approved for an American Express Blue Everyday Cash Card, and I got a $7,000 limit on that one. That was really cool. It had been a long time since I was able to get another American Express card. I had one back in college, but I butchered it. I ruined that relationship royally, and so it had been a while since I had an American Express card. And then I applied for the US Bank Cash Plus card. So those are the cards that I've applied for so far, and this is my 4th and last application. I did have a Citibank card a very long time ago when I was in college. I think I had like a $12,000 limit, which was ridiculous for a college student because clearly I wasn't making anybody's salary, but I guess they wanted to get me early so that I could end up owing money, right? That's the American way. So anyway, like I said, this is the last application here, the Citibank Double Cash Card.
All right, so they're sending me a code. Okay, so they sent me a code. Let me enter it here, 892-647. That's not right. 64734. Let's verify that. Okay, I've been approved for the Citi Double Cash Card with an initial credit limit of $4,300. That's actually the lowest credit limit that I've had between all four cards, but that doesn't matter. I'll take it. So sweet. I got a card here. Now I have the Citibank Double Cash Card, and I'm super excited. Thanks for watching this portion of the video. I'll see you guys back in just 1 second.
Thanks for watching this video about the Citi Double Cash Card. If you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit. Whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn more about the Fico Score and how it is comprised so you can increase your credit score. We also talk about ways to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, and credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.